Hello everyone. Today I'm just going to show you how to change your culligan battery. This is a clearlink pro. So if you have this one at your home and maybe wondering how to replace the battery, I will show you how. So first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for supporting my channel. And see, so this one, if you're going to replace the battery, it uses AAA battery. So this is a AAA. So very basic. So first you're going to push it like this, and there you go. So as you can see here, there's a plastic at the bottom. So next is maybe a twist a little, and then slowly pulling out, and there's the battery. Put the new battery in. Very straightforward. So this one has no thread, so just kind of twist and push. So it says here you must push it tightly so there's no space. So as you can see here, it's working now. And put back the base. There you go. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you like my video. Please do like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.